Hello guys and welcome to another video. This question right here is waiting for us to solve. 16 divided by 2 to the power root 3 or to the power 4 plus square root of 3. And of course, these are the options we have to select the correct answer from. But remember, without using calculator. So feel free to pause the video and give it a try first. If you are done, let's begin. Because we have these two here as a base, let's go ahead and then express this system in such a way that the base will also be 2. And if we do that, in fact, we will have 2 to the power 4, which is the same as 16, then divided by 2 to the power square root of 3, just like this. And again, all to the power 4 plus square root of 3. Now remember, because the bases are the same 2 here, we can apply this power rule that a to the power b divided by a to the power c is the same as a to the power b minus c. Just like that. Very simple. So we can have 2 to the power 4 minus square root of 3, then all to the power 4 plus square root of 3, like that. Again, we know that a to the power m or to the power n is the exact same as a to the power m times n. So we can straight away multiply what is here by this one. And if we do that, in fact, we have 2 to the power 4 minus square root of 3 times 4 plus square root of 3. Now what can we see here? The power looks like something, right? That is difference of 2 squares. In fact, we can write it as 2 to the power 4 squared minus square root of 3 squared. Very simple. You see that? Great. So we have 2 to the power 4 squared, that is 16. Then minus, with this, we can see that this and this will go and we'll be left with just 3. Now we have the power to be 16 minus 3, which is 13. So this is the answer, which happens to be option C. So guys, pretty easy, isn't it? Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, and then check out this video and or this one as well. So that is pretty much it. Have a nice day. See you again on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.